Hey there, is your invoice numbering out of sequence or not starting where you want? Fixing invoice numbering in FreshBooks lets you maintain a professional, sequential record that works for your business. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to adjust it. Go to Settings, and then Invoice Customization. Look for the Invoice Numbering section. Here you can set the next invoice number. FreshBooks will then use that number and increment from there for all new invoices. You can also add prefixes, like INV, or reset the sequence at the start of a new fiscal year. My crucial pro tip: use a logical prefix for different invoice types. Consider using prefixes like INV for standard invoices, EST for estimates, and CR for credit notes. This helps you and your clients quickly identify the document type from its number alone. That's how you bring order and clarity to your financial documentation. What's your invoice numbering system? Simple, sequential, or do you use year-based prefixes? Share your method below. If organizational guides help you, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.